Hello, I am Deepak Fadnis. Welcome to this series of translations of the Abhangas of Saint Tukaram from his Abhanga Gatha into English. As you may be aware, Saint Tukaram was a great devotee of God who attained sainthood with his sheer devotion and chanting of the name of the Lord Panduranga. His temple is located in Dehu. In his life, he composed an epic called Abhanga Gatha, a large collection. In fact, it is an ocean of more than 4,500 Abhangas. Abhangas are short verses. The meaning of Abhanga is something which cannot break. So, Abhangas are indestructible. They are the words of wisdom from the mouth of Saint Tukaram, and they are all blessed with the backing of the Lord's love. I thought that the people who do not understand Marathi should know the greatness of Saint Tukaram and what he has written in his Abhangas. So I thought it necessary to translate his Abhangas into English and make them into posts on YouTube or on Facebook. One Abhanga, two Abhangas in one single post. I hope you like this translation. Today we are going to translate Abhangas 467 and 468. First I will read Abhanga 467 in Marathi. भूती भगवंत हा तो जाणतो संकेत, भारी मोकलितो बाण, ज्याचा त्यासी कळे गुण, करावा उपदेश, निवडोनी तरी दोष, तुका म्हणे वाटे, चुकता आड राने काटे. There are some Abhangas which are difficult to interpret. This is one such Abhanga. In this Abhanga, Saint Tukaram is saying that he knows very well that God resides in every soul, every person. Still, he chooses to use sharp words. The message behind those words is automatically understood by the persons whom they are intended for. In the end, he says that if someone goes astray on a wrong path, he is sure to get hurt by thorns. So, in my opinion, he is cautioning people that if you ignore what I am saying, if you ignore my advice, you may cause a damage to yourself. Because what he is doing is with intentional and aimed at the soul who needs that type of a correction. So let's see the translation one line at a time. Bhuti Bhagavanta Hato Janato Sanketa. God resides in all living beings. I know this very well. Second line. Bhari Mokalito Bana Jacha Tyasi Kade Guna. That is why I am always releasing sharp arrows of words. The meaning of these words is very well understood by those they are intended for. The third line, Karava Upadesha Nivadoni Tari Dosha. I know that I should advise a man the right things after ignoring his faults. So I ignore the faults of a person and I give him the correct advice. And in the last line, Tukaram Maharaj says, Tuka mane vate chukta adarane kate. Tuka says, if you leave the straight, established, regular path and travel by a crooked road, then you will definitely get hurt by thorns. So, little mysterious, but I hope we can make something out of it, saying that even if God resides in the hearts, in the souls of all the people, the souls which go astray need to be corrected with sharp words. And if they don't correct themselves, they can inflict a damage to themselves This is in short the Abhanga. I hope you like it. And with this, I will like to move to the next Abhanga 468. First, I will read it in Marathi. आम्हा हे कौतुक जगा द्यावी नीत करावे फजित चुकती ते कासयाचा बाध एकाच्या निरोपे काय व्हावे कोपे जगाचिया अविद्येचा येथे कोठे परिश्रम रामकृष्ण नाम ऐसे बाण तुका म्हणे येथे खऱ्याचा निकरा न सरती येरा खोट्या परी. Saint Tukaram knew that he was doing the right thing by giving people advice to chant the Lord's name and to stop doing bad activities. He would never felt shy in using harsh words to correct people who were going on the wrong track. And he knew that what he was doing was absolutely perfect. That was in line with the wish of God. In this Abhanga, he is expressing his satisfaction at the way he was carrying out his mission. Very nice Abhanga indeed. First, let me take the line 1. आम्हा हे कौतुक जगा द्यावी नीत करावे फजित चुकती ते. He says, I do this with a lot of love and admiration. I give my thoughts on morality to the world which has gone on a wrong path. If the world goes on a wrong path, I have to teach the world morality. I make it a point to embarrass those who show wrong behavior. I will point out at him and I will embarrass him by telling him that what you are doing is wrong. Next line. कासयाचा बाध एकाच्या निरोपे काय व्हावे कोपे जगाचिया. What is wrong in telling properly the message from the God to people? There is one God and his message I am telling people. What's wrong in my telling the message to the people? There is nothing wrong. Where is the problem? Even if people get angry with me, there is no problem. If people get angry with me, that is okay, let them get angry. But I will do my duty. And the third line, अविद्येचा येथे कोठे परिश्रम रामकृष्ण नाम ऐसे बाण. In this path of devotion, there is chanting of the name of the Lord. It keeps on happening like shooting of arrows. Tikshna Baan, sharp arrows are shot. Ram Nam, taking Ram Nam is like shooting a sharp arrow because Ram Nam is a Ram Baan. Ram Baan means something which is a perfect arrow, which will never miss its target. And that is a Ram Baan. So in this path of devotion, there is chanting of the name of the Lord and it keeps on happening like shooting of arrows which hit the target very accurately. So there is no room for ignorance. In the path of name chanting, there is no ignorance. And in the last line, Tukaram Maharaj says, तुका म्हणे येथे खऱ्याचा निकरा, तुका म्हणे येथे खऱ्याचा विकरा, न सरती येरा खोट्या परी. Tuka says, here the proven true advice only sells. What sells here is only the eternal truth in the form of advice. Hence, there is no scope for any false things. You won't find any fake things or fake advice here in the path of chanting the name of the Lord Hari. So this is the greatest assurance for a devotee. This Abhanga gives the greatest assurance to every devotee. If he is on the path of name chanting, then he will not go wrong in any manner. That is the guarantee given by Saint Tukaram. With this, we come to the end of this Abhanga. I hope you liked my translation and I thank you for being with me, for listening to me. I would like to request you to see the other features also on this YouTube channel. For example, Path Karave Tase Abhanga or Abhanga Pandari or Haripat in Sanskrit. There are Bara Abhangas of Saint Tukaram. They are translated in English and also in Hindi. So please see them yourself and share them. Subscribe to the channel, and we'll keep meeting more often for further translations. Till then, see you. Bye.